Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Got my old camping pans. I wanted to show you this strainer and how they fit on the different pans. It's a silicone clip-on strainer, which there's your clips, right? Put them on there. Put them on there. And that makes a pretty doggone good seal. Right up under there. And I've used this enough that I know the stuff doesn't come around the bottom. But you got your potatoes, your spaghetti, whatever it may be down in there, and it fills up against this grate, and all the excess liquid pours out. It's ingenious, just absolutely ingenious. Obviously, it's my favorite strainer. And the thing that's great about it, it will fit different pans. I saw a review on this thing and said it didn't do well on small pans. Well, I ain't buying that because I use it on small pans all the time. It gets that same good seal on it along the front here. And just pour it out. Get you one. Get you two. You're going to like it. Thanks. Bye now.